I'm here today speaking about the impact of data and analytics on automation and improving productivity, quality, and different business outcomes in your organization. This symposium from IMTMA is designed to ensure that a holistic perspective is obtained at this time when everybody is talking about and looking to do some degree of automation. So from a perspective of what to do, how to do, I believe this symposium can add great value to you and your enterprise. It was really encouraging to hear the audience ask specific questions, which indicated that they're all looking to take something specifically away from this symposium and then use it in their organizations when they go back. The number of delegates attending, the energy that was demonstrated was truly something that was palpable, and I believe this is only a harbinger of things to come, that automation is going to become more and more prevalent in the coming years.